Why digital marketing? And why is it perfect if you're in your 50s or 60s? And this is the reason, because you don't need to learn complicated tech, you don't need a laptop, and you definitely don't need to start over from scratch. You can actually literally build this from your smartphone. I'm a grandfather from South Africa, and I want to show you what's actually possible. I shared a win inside of our community recently, a $600 commission that I received before breakfast. And that's not because I worked harder, but because the system was already working in the background. And guys, that is the power of automations. No sending out CVs, no waiting for callbacks, no sitting in interviews hoping that somebody's going to give you a chance. You create something once and it keeps working for you. I followed a simple step-by-step blueprint, just 2 hours a day from my phone, and it helped me to start building extra income alongside my retirement. So if you are motivated and you've got a smartphone, you can do this too. Comment ready, and I'll show you the exact step-by-step blueprint that I used.